2015 Tier 1 Baseball, number Twomsley 8. Whoever finishes on top will get the mystery box. We're going 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Guess what, sir? You just won another one. A nasty Ben. Lefty, you still in here, sir? 5 times. You're getting closer, Sean. You're getting closer. Is Ben in here, or is random.org going to make that selection? I hate you, random.org. Box number 30. ESPN. 30 to 30. This is Tier 1 Baseball, number Twomsley 8. Let's play math real quick. Let's play math. Somebody tell me what the answer is. Twomsley times 2 times Twomsley. 65. Crown Royal. Crown Royal. Now divided by Twomsley. And Crown Royal. Turkey. Not bad, Ben. Not bad. Especially when you throw a cherry on top. A nasty contenders. That's going to fall. $1 billion. You got it, Ben. Thank you, sir. All right, guys. Quick look at your squads. Here they are. One sec, guys. Camera's a little jacked. Caught the keyboard. All right, here we go. Come on, cord. Work for me. I pulled a Nolan Ryan bat barrel in Tokyo, believe it or not, for the Astros. True story. Not more than, I don't know, week and a half ago. Tail, all right. Not yet, Big Dave Wicker. It is coming up next. Can somebody please tell Big Dave Wicker his break is coming up next? Brandon, you do not. Not in this one. I did. Don't act like you're not impressed. What's up, Gary S? Spectra is right after Gold Standard. Spectra is going to be in probably about 25 minutes, Mickey. You are welcome, sir, and thank you. This is 28, Jane. 28. 26 is a couple breaks down the road. Why is this cord so messed up right now? What's going on? Good luck, everybody. Number 349, Ruby de Hall. Ruby de la Rosa. To Twomsley 5. Nice hit, Jim. Congrats, man. Nasty, Jim. And 299, Tim Raines. Nothing like starting out with a little Trout action. I was hoping for a Taj Boyd yourself. That's a disgusting start. Do we have another loaded case? To 299, Alex Cobb. To 399, Andres Galarraga. LeBronda shoes. 199, Craig Biggio. Well, I hope you started feeling better, Sean. What's up, Lance? Number 299, Josh Harrison. For the Red Sox, acetate to 25. Hanoma. 399, Elvis Andrus. To 399, Anthony Ronaldo. For the Cardinals, Mike Matheny, number 299. To 399, Tim Lincecum. To 349, Dylan Betances. To 399, Brandon Moss. To 399, Garrett Cole. Number to 299, Jonathan Scoop. Number to 50, Fernando Valenzuela. To 399, Chase Utley. To 199, Thomas Glavine. I did? Oh my God, I wasn't even paying attention. To 349, Cole Calhoun. For the Blue Jays, to 99, Carlos Delgado. To 399, Billy Hamilton. Fernando Valenzuela, delightful pitcher. To 399, Alcantara for the Cubbies. To 399, David Eckstein. To 299, Busta Posey. Number to 349, Daniel Norris for the Blue Jays. To 399, Eric Davis. Number to 99, Hoyt Wilhelm. To 399, Adam Jones. Who? Adam Jones. Number to are you effing kidding me? Oh my God. Oh, it's 25, Jared Cozart. To 149, Orlando Cepeda. Dude, do you want me to break in a bikini? You got some problems. 1 of 1 for the Baltimore Orioles, Nelson Cruz. Nasty Cruz. Jim, have yourself a break, sir. Have yourself a break. Mike Trout and Cruz, 1 of 1. Sham freaking wow. Number to 299, Javier Baez. To 399, Brandon Crawford. Number to 50, Bryce DeHapa. And to 199, Reggie Jackson. We got a fatty. Nice card. To 299, Brett Oberholzer. This kid can pitch if anybody hasn't seen. For the Chicago Cubs, to 25, 3-color, Mark Grace. Nice card. And to 399, Longo. And that, folks, was the break. Thank you all. I do appreciate it.